as we watch our world leaders continue to talk about an ammo shortage, continue to say that there is not enough ammo to keep up with what's going on in Europe, to watch both North American ammo producers and European ammo producers say that it's hard to keep up. And I know in many of those cases, we're talking about larger munitions, but keep in mind, they take the same raw material. They take the same components. So if you're short on primers for small arms ammo, you're definitely gonna be short on primers for 155 millimeter shells. So as we watch that, we have a reliance here in the US on our private ammo manufacturers. But as it turns out, the largest ammo producer, civilian ammo producer in North America, Vista Outdoors, just sold all of their ammo manufacturing plants. Not some of them, all of them. All the name brands that you're used to, CCI, Spear, Federal, Remington, Heavy Shot, all of these have been sold to a Czech billionaire that's 30 years old. Now, here's why I am concerned. This is why I'm concerned. One, we're really hanging on by a thread. If there was any sort of panic moment where U.S. civilians went out and bought a bunch of ammo, they'd be gone. It'd be gone quick, and it's not going to be replenished. And what we had before with Vista Outdoors was a organized, experienced effort. And what we have now is somebody that is not experienced. Now, the other concern that I have is, when you have the largest ammo producer in North America, civilian ammo producer in North America, being run by a 30-year-old, his net worth is, according to Forbes, today is worth $2 billion. Well, he bought the company for $1.91 billion. So I'm not really sure if he has the money to keep up with this effort, so to say, that Vista Outdoors had in their ammo industry. But, we'll see. Now, the parent company, again, it's all 100% owned by one guy, is out of Bozeman, Montana. So as far as their headquarters, so at least it's the company itself is based out of the U.S. that's now going to be running the ammo manufacturing branch of Vista Outdoors, and owns it. Will be changing the name to Revelist. Is based off of their current outdoor company, but it's just one guy. It's a 30-year-old Czech Republic citizen that has about enough net worth as this particular purchase is. I'm sure there was still money spent on attorneys and contracts and things like that. I don't think he has any money, is my guess, based off of Forbes. And, so we'll see how this all plays out, but it has me concerned, to say the least, and I think you should be concerned. I think it's already what we're seeing is certain, the U.S. Army is now saying they're going to stop production of civilian ammo, and now we have this all really within the same week. I think we should be concerned. Any thoughts or insight, definitely put that below. I do want to take a moment and say that most people who watch this channel are not subscribers to this channel. Please take a moment, hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it greatly increases the algorithm and our ability to get these messages out. But the most important part of this channel, we take prayer requests, and never hesitate to send that in. Thank you for watching this episode of God, Family, and Guns. And as always, love God, love your family, and love guns.